Guys, we are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. You guys see behind me, we got my 2019 Camaro SS, 2SS rather. And let me just take you over a couple of features that I just happen to like the best about the car. The car is really a great car overall. It does have the 6.2 LT1 engine in it. No supercharger. The supercharger comes in the Z01. So this one right here is literally completely stock. I just got it not too long ago. So let's just check out some of my favorite features now, shall we? Alrighty guys, so my first favorite feature on the car is of course the automatic start, guys. You have Chevy key fob here. What you do is you just 2 times and hold, and then it starts up. It's good to go. You got your LED lights on and everything. Nobody's in the car. Got the nice automatic start. Oh, a really good looking whip, man. I'm digging the tail lights on here. I love how they switched the tail lights up on this 6th gen. It looks really good. Love the auto start. So you guys know if you do an auto start, you actually have to have the key to get it going anywhere. Just because it started does not mean you can see, because when you get in, it'll look just black like this, a black screen. You can't really do nothing. You can't even shift the gear. So what you got to do is just press start, and then everything will pop on, and then you're good to go. But yeah, man, I love the automatic. Thing is freaking warmed up every other day. Don't mind the low fuel level, but I do love the automatic start, man. Alrighty guys, my second favorite feature of the car is the camera in the rear view mirror, man. So if you guys look behind me, it definitely looks super HD quality. Looks really good, man. Sorry about the glare, but you guys know you can pretty much just flip that switch down and you actually get a real image instead of like the camera image. What image do you guys like better? Do you like the real image to where you can see that, or the fake camera image? I actually like the camera one a little bit better. The camera is camera's right here on the wing. So I wanted to do like a high-rise wing like that comes on the Z01s, but I don't think I'll be able to put the camera on that one. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just keep the camera where it is in the same exact stock spoiler. What I was gonna do, I was gonna mod the whole thing, just like build it up, but I'm just like, why waste the money? I didn't already did that. So I'm gonna keep this car for a couple more months, and then we're gonna upgrade to a C7 Z06. But I do love the features on here. Now back to what's best about this car. Alrighty guys, so what you wanna do to get in track mode, I'll just start you off normal, how you guys usually see your stuff. So what you wanna do, you wanna come down, hit that 2 times and get that bad boy in track mode. Once you get it in track, you can hit the lever right here. You'll get this screen. You go up, options, over. Launch control is disabled. So that usually means that you have to double click this traction control twice so you can get the traction control off and the stability competitive mode on. So let's tap that twice. You guys see stability competitive mode. Now we have a launch control. And now launch control only engages, of course, when you're at a dead stop, and you literally have to floor the brake literally to the floor. I'll just show you guys how it works really quick while we got some time. But you literally have to floor it all the way down. You'll get that green light. So yeah, it actually works really good. And then you can set what RPMs, how high the RPMs you want it to be. You have to hit that right arrow on your steering wheel, come down to launch RPM, and you can turn it up all the way till I believe 2400. So I'll just show you guys the difference. Let's press the brake. You guys just see. It works. I'm pretty sure it's better on the track, of course, but it is what it is for what we got right now. But let's check out some other features we may like. Another feature I really like on this car is the fact you can change it from tour mode to sport, track, snow and ice. Now the difference between these Tour, of course, it's like regular, like everyday driving, no racing or nothing like that. It's pretty loose on the steering wheel. Now when you take a button down, you go to sport, the steering wheel definitely tightens up a little bit. The car stays in the gear a little bit longer than it would in tour mode. Then when you hit track mode, it's like all out race car. The steering wheel is like super tight. It's shifting really aggressive and everything. So now you guys see on the screen, it says launch control disabled. All you would have to do is hit your traction control button twice and get stability track competitive mode on and turn the traction off. Now you got launch control. The other items I like in this menu, you do have like launch control, you have line lock, you have custom RPMs you can set. You can, what else you do? You have the 0 to 60 times in here. You have a performance menu. Like you have your G-force, 0 to 60, lap timer, oil sensors and battery voltage, all that good stuff, trans temperature, tire temperature, G-force, all that good stuff. And then, yeah, I really like it. It does have a really nice menu, has info, everything that you want to see here. Has the speed limit, so literally any road you get on, it'll have a speed limit on there. It'll tell you how fast you're going. You can do the music, navigation, phone. Then it has like a bunch of like other settings in this option menu right here. Let's see. Yeah, we can see what the standard looks like. Oh wow, I just learned something with you guys. So now on other people's videos, I be seeing like how the gauges pop up all right here. I never seen that before until today. And this is, of course, I guess it's the standard theme. I've never seen that before. So we can switch it back to technology and get that look we want. But man, really nice features on the Camaro. I love it. Alrighty guys, another feature I like is that the windows, actually you can roll them down without being in the car. So what would you do? You would just hold this unlock button and little do you know it, the windows roll down. I bet you some of you guys never knew that about the Camaro. The windows automatically roll down. Now you can't roll them up automatically, but if you're like outside, it's a hot day, or you just want to let some of that hot air out before you get in the car, because you guys know when you do the automatic start, it turns on the AC and stuff like that, just to have the car a little bit more comfortable for you when you get in. So that's another feature I dig right there, man. Some pretty cool small little features, that's for sure, that you wouldn't even really like think twice about. The one other thing I do like about the Camaro, you do have like this really nice media interface up here, which is like touch sensitive. It's really cool. What I like most, however, is like the ambient lighting, and it gives you like literally all these different colors that you can put right there. So say if you want green, you just click green, and slowly but surely the light there will turn to green. You have the lights, literally it's like literally bright as heck out, so you won't be able to see it, but I'll get a better shot of the nighttime for you. But literally the lights are all over and it looks really good. So that's the difference between a 2SS and a regular Camaro. So the difference between a 2SS and a regular Camaro is that the inside of the 2SS has all the lighting, the ambient lighting everywhere on the doors, and it has leather seating, and it does have the mirror, the rear view camera mirror right there. So a few little differences between the 1SS and the 2SS. But either way, I'm loving it, man. We got a secret trunk button right there. I don't know if you guys knew that or not, but you do have a secret trunk button, so that's a plus. I'm digging it though. What y'all think about the Camaro, man? Got some nice little features. It's crazy because this car was like $28,000, and like the Hellcat is like $62,000, and the Hellcat literally doesn't have nearly as many features as this one. So I think I got a good deal, and I think I'm pretty satisfied until I upgrade to the Z06. But what y'all think about it so far, man? Let me know in the comments below. So alrighty guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. You guys heard my 5 favorite things I like about my 2019 Camaro, man. I'm digging every moment of it. I've been dogging the heck out of it. I already got speeding tickets and all that, so you guys know I love it somewhat. If you guys have a Camaro, man, what are you guys' favorite options on the Camaro? Would you rather have the 2SS, or would you not care and just get the 1SS? You guys see the differences in the two. Man, I'm loving it though, man. I'm about to hop on this road. You see, I'm literally in the middle of nowhere, so I'm about to literally do the dash back to the crib, and then we might slide with some of the homies this week, man. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.